Best time tracking apps for you to use. Toggl versus Harvest versus Clockify versus Everhour. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be comparing Toggl with Harvest, Clockify and Everhour, and we'll figure out which one of these time tracking software is better for you to use for your time tracking and managing your task. So let's get started. Up first, we have Toggl.com. Toggl is one of the very famous time tracking app out there, and it helps you get more productive. With Toggl, we get different options such as Toggl Track, Toggl Plan, and Toggl Hire. So Toggl is actually all in one platform. We're going to be using Toggl for tracking. It is completely free to sign up for. You simply sign up and you get your own track.toggl.com dashboard. To track time, you will find the option right here. Simply type in your project name. Let's go for task 1. Now, I can simply go ahead and click right here and select a project. So if you have already created a project, you will select from here. Then we have select a filter or tag. To create a new tag, you can simply select this option right here. Then you select on this button right here and it will start your time entry. And now Toggl is simply tracking the time. I can also select the billable and non-billable hour option. To stop the time, you simply click right here and there you go. We have our new entry. We get report option on Toggl, insights, projects, clients, team, and tags. I could create different projects to track time, then add clients, create teams, and add tags as well. Toggl allows you to manage your team and track your time very professionally, and you will be able to track time of your deadlines. Toggl also has a lot of different integrations for you to add to customize your Toggl experience. So if you're looking for a professional time tracking software that is easy to use, then you can simply go ahead and check out Toggl.com. Next on the list is Harvest.com. You might have heard about Harvest because Harvest is really famous for time tracking. It allows you to track your time with powerful reporting options and tools. With Harvest, you can track your time and manage your team very efficiently. You simply click on Try Harvest for free and you can sign up with your Google account. Once you sign up for your Harvest, this is where you will get. Harvest is actually a little different than other time tracking softwares. Because with Harvest, we also get expenses and invoicing option, which makes it stand out among the others. To track time, you simply click on New Entry, add your project name, select the category. Let's go with marketing this time. Add notes and start the timer. There you go. Now the timer has been started. To stop it, you will simply click on stop and it will be stopped. There you go. And you have your new entry. You can go with different views such as day and week. We have pending approval option as well, timesheet, and archive. And then we get the expenses option on Harvest, where you can add your expenses and that allows you to stay in budget. Then of course we can create new project, add teams, and we are also getting a report dashboard. But the advanced feature is the invoicing option that allows you to create an within your time tracking software. And you don't have to go and use another software to create your invoicing. You can simply create your invoices with Harvest. And then we have the manage option right here. When it comes to the project and clients, you can import your clients and project from your other softwares as well. So this is Harvest with all of its features and tools. If you're looking for a software that allows you to create invoices, manage your projects, create expenses, and is very easy to use, then you should definitely check out harvestapp.com. Up next, we have Clockify.me. Simply go to Clockify.me and you will land right here. Clockify is a time tracking software used by billions. Clockify allows you to manage your team and track your time. Again, the signing up process is really easy. You simply click on sign up for free. And then you can log in or sign up with your Google account. So I have logged into my Clockify. In Clockify, we get the option of time tracker, calendar view, dashboard, reports, and we can manage our projects, team, clients, and tasks. If we compare Clockify to Toggl and Harvest, it's very beginners friendly and has very basic tools. And it is completely free. That's actually a good thing. So to create a new entry, you will find the option right here. Simply add the name. Let's call it task 1. You will select a project. Then you can add a tag. And then you have the billable and non-billable option right here. So this option is completely free in Clockify. If we compare it to Toggl, we're not getting this option in the free version. So to track time, you simply click on Start and it will start your time right here. Now to stop the timer, you will simply click on Stop and a new entry will be added right here in your projects. Then we have a calendar view. This allows us to get a calendar view of our projects. Then we have dashboard. And in here, you will be able to check your activity in the form of pie chart and graphs. Then we have report. And in report, you will get reports. In here, you can get your weekly and monthly summary. In projects, you can create a new project, create a new team, add clients, and tags. These options are very easy to use. And then, of course, we have our settings. So if you're looking for a time tracking software that is very easy to use and is very beginners friendly, then you should definitely check out Clockify.me. Last but not the least, we have Everhour.com. Simply go to Everhour and you will land right here. Everhour is one of the most powerful time tracking software with hassle-free integrations. When it comes to Everhour, it's really famous for its integrations because you can integrate your Everhour to your different project management softwares such as Asana, Trello, Basecamp, Jira, and ClickUp. So that actually makes Everhour stand out, and a lot of people use Everhour with their project management softwares. You can sign up for Everhour, it's very easy. You simply sign up with your Google account. You can use Everhour for time tracking, billing and budgeting, task management, visual planning, expenses, and invoicing. So, like Harvest, we're getting invoicing and expenses option on Everhour as well. So that shows us that Everhour is very professional platform. And you don't have to use any other platform for invoicing and expenses. We can also do visual planning with Everhour. So if you're looking for a platform with a lot of integrations and that is easy to add to your project management workspace, then you can simply select Everhour. You will be able to track time very easily and create your invoices. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you the best time tracking softwares, Toggl, Harvest, Clockify, and Everhour. And I hope now you have an idea which one is better for you to use. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.